looking at me with 7 eyes, not 8.
At least record it.
He's closed
Yes,
one
it is.
eye.
No, the light not on.
It is recording.
Yeah,
Light on.
Yes. He likes me. He has not spot in my eye as yet.
Yeah, he could actually understand instead.
He likes me.
Give us sleep! Give us
Do not shout! You must be very quiet. He likes me. Normally he will spit in your eye with an acidic saliva. You will not survive. Wow. I'm going to throw some water on it. If it spits, please come to my rescue. He did not. It is all well and good. Goodbye, my friend. Come and see. You call me a liar. Come. Come and see. It is you for smiling. Look at it. Look at its beauty and its double jointed leg. It is idle. Can you see? You need goggles. You are out of the water. Why do you need goggles? Come closer. You saw? You saw? You saw? Look, it is. I'm not the small one. You saw? He said I am insane. You make jokes. It is not funny. No more jokes. I hope it comes back. Apparently he doesn't like this guy. This is such a beautiful place. Such a beautiful place. Everybody listen. Listen to Madam Nature talking to us.